Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to remember the password to your Wi-Fi. If you have iOS 16 and above installed, then this method will work. So if you need to know the password, then update to a later version of iOS. We will be able to find out the password from any network that we were already connected to. So this is the real way. We go into the settings, select the Wi-Fi item. Next, we click on the Edit button. You'll be asked for your password or FACEID to confirm your identity. And now we see a list of all the Wi-Fi networks we were once connected to. For example, I want to find out the Wi-Fi from CDC29. I click on the right side of the Info button. I see the password item, and to the right of it is the Wi-Fi password. Click on the password, then you will be asked for your FACEID again, and then you will see the password. Now you can copy it or just dictate it. So there is an easy way that you can use to find out the password to any Wi-Fi you are connected to. Done. Nothing complicated. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel, and also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye.